Hello everyone, welcome to English LSRW. Do you wonder whether cartoons improve your kids' speaking skill? Yes, cartoons can really improve your kids' speaking skill. I'm saying this because of my own experience. Actually, I'm not a native English speaker. It took a lot of time and effort for me to speak in English fluently and confidently. But my kids started to speak in English very fast. I was using this method without knowing how effective it was. Once I found this method is useful and effective, I started to search in Google and I was really surprised to see the results of this method. So, I want to share my experience with all you guys. You can also make your kid to speak in English fluently very fast. First, let me explain you about speaking skill. What is speaking skill? Speaking skills are the skills that give us the ability to communicate effectively. It should be mastered by the students. It should be gained by practice and experience. It requires the ability to perform in public. So unlike other skills like listening, reading, writing, but to improve their speaking skill, they have to speak and they have to practice with the public. As a parent, each and everyone, including me, we all wish to see our kids to speak fluently in English with confidence. Now let us come to the point. How cartoons are useful for improving your speaking skill. Nowadays, children all over the world use smartphones for various purposes, starting from taking selfies and using the mobile phones for their studies. For each and everything, they need a smartphone and internet. Internet is an abode of knowledge, but we should know how to use it properly and correctly. As a parent, it is our duty to make them understand how to use internet and smartphone properly. So now let me explain the study which explains us that cartoon movie really helped the kids to improve their speaking skill. So for this study, 20 students were taken. All the students are from grade 2. Two tests were given, that is pre-test and post-test. So they have noticed a lot of improvement only just after 3 classes. Let me show you the PDF form. You can get this in Google also. So this is research in English and education. So this explains you how using cartoons improve their speaking skill. So in this PDF, they have given a lot of information about speaking, why we need to use this method, and the pre-test result, post-test result, comparison between these two, and what is the conclusion they have got from this study. So they have given the pre-test and post-test score. In the pre-test, so no one has got above 80, and they have given the results of pre-test scores, and after that they have given the result of post-test scores also. In that above 80 there are 8 students. Only after the 3 classes 8 students got above 80 marks. In this, the grammar, pronunciation and vocabulary was tested. It was recorded and the result was analyzed by so many people. In the conclusion, they have given the result. The result of this research showed that students' skill in speaking improved after teaching by using cartoon movie as media. The researcher notes a number of reasons on why the student got better scores. First, the cartoon movie has motivated them on getting new vocabulary. Second, the students got more ideas after they watched the cartoon movie, which was presented as a narrative text. Third, the cartoon movie demonstrated to them on how to pronounce words. Therefore, the use of cartoon movie can be counted as one of the media that can be used in assisting students to develop their speaking ability. For this, you need to understand that you have to monitor your kids' screen time, and you should use the minimal screen time effectively. So now I'm going to show you 3 cartoons and how it improved my kids' speaking skill. In which way it was helpful and how I used those cartoons to improve my kids' speaking skill. So first one is, this is my favorite also. This is Peppa Pig. This Peppa Pig story revolves around Peppa Pig. So the main character of this show is Peppa Pig and her family, and she also has so many friends. All the friends are animals. Each episode is approximately 5 minutes long. In this one, Peppa Pig, the episodes tend to feature everyday activities. So in all the episodes, Peppa Pig and her family and her friends, everyone together, shows us the everyday activities which we all do as a human, such as attending the school, going for swimming, visiting their grandparents, cousins, going to the playground, or riding their bikes. So this one is all our everyday day-to-day activities, so they can easily get the vocabulary for day-to-day activities. So the next one is Masha and the Bear. This Masha and the Bear is a Russian story, but it is also translated in English. This Masha is portrayed as a smart, kind, but mischievous little girl. She explores the world around her. So she is all too naughty that there are so many characters like a penguin, panda, fox, bear, all those things. In this Masha and Bear, all the characters help and support each other. So they will also come to know the life skill. So the next one is Daniel Tiger. I come to know a surprising fact about this Daniel Tiger. This one centers around Daniel Tiger. Daniel is a tiger. This program is targeted at preschool age children. This is targeted for the preschool children. Even the little children can understand what are the words they are speaking. This teaches emotional intelligence, kindness, and human respect. And moreover, the fact about this cartoon Daniel Tiger is this: its content follows a curriculum. This is based on Fred Rogers' teaching and new research into child development. So this is based on a research. What are the things the preschoolers, that is kindergarten students, must learn, and the moral behaviors, etiquettes, all the things are covered in this. So the next one is, even the cartoons, smartphones are necessary for this age, we have to monitor the screen time of our kids. There is a simple and effective method to monitor your kids' screen time. This one I'm going to explain you in the next video. If you want to get that video immediately, subscribe to the channel and you can get it immediately once I post it. I hope you all like this video. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.